Check this shit. One sec. Come out with this little fucker. Bowling along here. And then you walk into this little bit. Fucking. Wow, look at the size of this. As you can hear, it's a train track. Wait, what? Got all the brickwork. Fucking hell. It's impressive shit. Nice bit of stone on the old style. Wow, look at that. Now it's a little fox here. That I used to use them for quadcopters and flying drones and shit like that. It does like really good quality sound and video. Although the wind's probably not helping at the moment. What a fantastic little bridge. So this brings us out on the road up from the car park, doesn't it? Yeah, I see. And a bit of rain. Wow, now that is some impressive brickwork. The amount of brick that must be in that. Jesus. Yeah, mate. Yeah, put a bit of effort into it, make it look nice. Rather than just a big slab of concrete. Yeah, that's beautiful.
There's your famous bit of pudding stone.
Pudding stone, what's that? What's that from?
Not concrete, it is actually.
Was it local stone or something like that?
Comes out of the ground,
Okay.
it looks like concrete though.